Today we have a new Kizer. It is a drop bear. Nitro V blade, acrylic handle, clutch lock, 2.97 inches. I happened to be scrolling through and had found this on a TikTok shop. And I am a big fan of NCIS. I couldn't pass it up. So here's a thank you card from Kizer, just thanking you for purchasing it. And here is the drop bear. Rule number 9, never go anywhere without a knife. That is a Gibbs saying. Nice acrylic handles, clear. Very smooth. Has it on both sides, rule number 9. A very nice looking blade. This is my first drop bear, but this probably will not be my last. Also inside of this, we have another thumb stud, another clutch lock, additional screws, and some springs for the clutch lock. A nice little added bonus to help for any type of maintenance. Oh, there's an Easter egg. And the cleaning cloth of Kizer's. So there you have it. A drop bear for NCIS fans. Rule number 9, never go anywhere without a knife.